That's just my pork tenderloin. I'm gonna come in with some barbecue rub. This is the orange and thyme. And we're gonna put that right on top of our pork tenderloin. Go ahead and give that a flip, just like so. Season the other side. This is all in my air fryer. We're doing a pork in the air fryer. You guys requested this and I'm showing it. Now I have some barbecue sauce and we're gonna go ahead and just put that right inside a bowl, not too much. Use whatever barbecue sauce you like. Grab a little brush and we're gonna brush that barbecue sauce right onto that pork. Ooh, I'm using a bone in, but obviously you could use whatever pork chop you like, tenderloin, whatever you like. Get the sides a little bit too.
Don't forget the sides.
I know. And this is not just gonna be our protein. We are gonna add our sides in here as well.
Oh, what?
Go ahead and give that a flip. Beautiful. That was the last time we're gonna flip it. Now we're gonna cover it in the barbecue sauce on this side. Oh my goodness, this looks so good.
I don't think I've ever seen a pork chop in the air fryer before.
Oh, well, it's life-changing. It's the easiest way to make a single person meal, even though I think you can get about 2 servings out of this pork chop. For side dish, I have some carrots that I cut up, and we're just gonna go ahead and put those right there. Make as many or as little as you want. On this side, I'm gonna grab my pre-washed potatoes, and we're just gonna go ahead and put them right next to our pork chop.
Oh,
we got some scavengers, that's okay.
I tried to run away.
Put a few more in there. Let's really get this air fryer filled. For our veggies, I'm gonna grab some olive oil, and we're gonna do a nice little drizzle on those. Perfect. It's okay if it gets on the pork chop. Now I'm gonna grab some Italian seasoning. Season up those veggies nice and easy. Look how good that looks.
Looks delicious.
Lastly, we're gonna go in with some garlic powder. But you can season everything how you like. I just wanted a barbecue pork chop, so that's why I did the barbecue rub and the barbecue sauce. Beautiful. All right, you guys, that is it. Our full dinner, all in our air fryer. We're gonna go ahead and turn this on. We're gonna air fry, turn this to turn the time to 12 minutes, and then we're gonna turn the temp to 380. Oh, just missed that, and then we're gonna start. And the potatoes, the pork chops, and the carrots will be perfect in that time. All right, you guys, it's been 12 minutes. Let's go ahead and check this out.
What? That looks perfectly cooked.
Oh my, that looks so good. Oh, I cannot wait. Oh yeah. Right onto the plates. Ooh, she's a beauty.
Whoa.
Grab some carrots. Oh, look how good those look. I love carrots.
Who would have thought the air fryer can make a perfectly cooked whole meal?
Yep, and we got those potatoes. Ooh, these are gonna be delicious.
Oh, they're perfectly cooked. You can just see it.
Yeah, those wrinkles. That's how you know they're cooked, by the wrinkles. What a truth. Woo!
Perfectly cooked.
Looks so good. All right, let's get a piece. Woo! Ooh, it's so juicy. Barbecue sauce. Okay. Oh my goodness.
It's literally perfect.
I'm so excited.
Is it good?
That is so good. That orange and thyme rub is incredible. All right, you guys, you gotta try it.